Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about ln A over B equals to ln A minus ln B. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, this one multiplied by this one and this one. Now, I will concentrate about this one first. We know that s to the power of 5, that is about s to the power of 4 with s. And this one we have s squared to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to s ds. Because we don't have number 2 next to s, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals, t equals to ln of u minus 4. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv we have 1 over 2 u square du. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to u to the power of 3 over 6. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 6, and we have the integration u to the power of 3 over u minus 4 du. And now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to u minus 4. Because we have u, so I will put negative number 4 go to the left. And then we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we change by t. U we change by this one. Du we change by dt. And now we need to expand. T squared plus 48 t, and the last one, that is about 64. Now we need to simplify t. the integration of t squared, we have t to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have 12t squared over 2. This one we have 48t. This one we have 64 ln of the absolute value of t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about u minus 4. Now we simplify this one. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now, about this one, you can do by yourself. That is similar for this one in here. So we have u equals to s squared in here. So we put s squared on here, and we have s to the power of 6 s squared. Similar for this one. And this is the integration of this one. Now we have this one in here. So that means this one minus this one. So we have this one minus this one. This one minus this one, you got about 0. Negative 1 over 6 with number 6 minus negative 1 over 6 with negative number 6. You got about negative number 2. This one with negative, this one with negative, they will cancel. And now we just have this one and this one. Sorry, this one should be like this. Athena, you just copy this one. Then this one we just change the sign to the positive 1 over 6. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.